उससे पहली बारी मैं तब मिली थी चिल्ड्रंस लाइब्रेरी में. I was 8. Icarus, the boy who flew too close to the sun. The boy I wanted to save because he reminded me of myself. सबको पता था he wasn't going to make it. सबने कहा मुझे कि इस कहानी का अंत decided है. But I wanted to change it. I made a wish back then. And 15 years later, it almost came true.
That's a nice book.
Virginia Woolf is my favorite. Thank you.
You should try this.
Oh, sure. What's this about, though?
कौन हो तुम?
तुम उस बुक से बाहर कैसे आए?
कौन सी बुक?
ये वाली. This one. Wait, there's a letter over here for you. To Icarus. Congratulations, kid. You've slipped out of your tragedy, no longer marooned on the island of Crete. You're adrift in a whole new world. The sea connects. It says that you died in your world, in the sea in your world, and this book became your portal, the sea in this world. You have just 6 hours in this world.
इधर दिखाओ. By the end of 6 hours, you must return to the same place that you first encountered while entering the other world.
मतलब ये वाला.
In order to go back to your own timeline, so the balance of both worlds remain intact. But if you fail to do so, your myth will be forever erased, and you'll be forgotten by both worlds.
So what are you going to do now?
Paint.
You have 6 hours and that's all you want to do?
मैं 6 घंटे पेंट करना चाहता हूँ.
क्यों?
क्योंकि मैं बचपन से यही करना चाहता था, इसलिए तो मैं इतनी पास आया सन के.
एक second, हाँ? Everyone knows that you flew so close to the sun because you were extremely naive and you just couldn't help yourself.
कौन बोल रहा है तुम्हें ये सब?
The myth.
कौन सा myth? सुनो, I always wanted to do it, बट माई फादर हेटेड इट. उन्हें नफरत थी मेरे से. उन्होंने मेरा सारा आर्ट जला दिया. आई वॉन्टेड टू डू इट. और इसलिए अगर मेरे विंग्स मेल्ट भी हो रहे थे ना, आई डेंट इवन केयर कि अगर मैं मरता तो आई वुड हैव डाइड ट्राइंग. अगर मैं जिंदा रहता देन इट वुड हैव बीन माई मास्टरपीस. सी फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ द सन.
So let's do it. I mean, we'll buy the supplies. I'll show you around the city.
सच्ची?
Huh?
So you don't hate me?
No. Why would I hate you? Not at all.
So do you like me?
I mean, it's not like that. It's just that I'm trying to be a good person. जब किताब से तुम बाहर आए थे, I was.
So you do like me?
You have 6 stars.
Let's go. Let's go.
Thank you. Are you mad? You don't belong to this world.
I am
You were supposed to
sorry.
be with me.
I wanted to surprise you.
But
अपनी आंखें बंद करो. Close your eyes.
it better be worth it now.
Close your eyes.
Wow.
I did it. मेरा masterpiece.
So beautiful.
Do you like it?
I love it.
I think you should keep it as a gift.
No, this is your masterpiece. Goodbye, stranger. एक सीक्रेट बताऊं? बचपन में उस स्टोरी बुक से एंडिंग का पेज फाड़ दिया था मैंने. वही इकरस वाली। और फिर कभी किसी कहानी का अंत नहीं पढ़ा मैंने। आई रियलाइज्ड इट वे अर्ली, समवेयर राइट बिटवीन फ्लाइंग एंड फॉलिंग देयर इज अ ब्रीफ मोमेंट जब जिंदगी आप पर मुस्कुराती है। आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर द सेविंग हैपेंस, कहानी के बीचों बीच। हो सकता है आप वही मोमेंट अभी जी रहे हो, सो मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट। बी अ लिटिल नाइव, a little obsessed. Chase the sun even when the whole world wants you not to. Live up to your full capacity. आखिर टुकड़ों में जीना भी क्या जीना हुआ, हाँ?